To set a graphical image as your home screen wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, long tap an empty area on your home screen, and then tap Wallpaper and Style. Tap the home screen thumbnail, tap Wallpapers, scroll down the screen, tap Graphical. Now select the desired image and then tap the button to set the selected image as your home screen wallpaper. Go to your home screen. As you can see, the selected graphical image has been set as your home screen wallpaper. On Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, the graphical wallpaper section offers vibrant, optimized images that enhance your screen look, provide modern touch, and keep your icon visible, all conveniently available without needing external download. Okay, thank you for watching. Please have to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.